Welcome back to Eating That. My name is Nicholas. Today we are in Indeba, one of the busiest streets we have in, among the suburbs of Kampala city. We're going to check out some of the street foods they have. We're going to look at Nsenene. Those are longhorn grasshoppers. Others call them bush cricket. We don't know the exact name, but let us just eat and enjoy this. And then we are going to look at another street food, which is jackfruit, and then also Nile patch, and also others, if they allow us to record. So let us just dive into a video. If by any chance we get any of them to talk in the camera, then we'll do that. Let us just dive into this.
Amanya gange nzeza Namazzi nsinzidde mu Ndeeba ku Butaala nga ndi mukyala asosola ffene wano ku kkubo. Tutunda ffene omusale omusosole abayagala otusanga wano mu Ndeeba ku kkubo erikkirira ewa ddiniya ku muzikiti. Tulinawo ffene, amenvu, ennyaanya, obutungulu era nga bw'obiraba. Bw'oba olina owa booda osobola omutuma ne tubikutuusaako mu kifo w'oba oli. Tusangibwa wano mu Ndeeba. Saawo n'abakozi bannange era mubalaba baabano bwe tukola emirimu gyaffe. Mukyala gwe bayita Harriet, Sylvia, nze mundabye ono mulongo, ono bamuyita Ssanyu, ono yakajja, ono omukyala bamuyita Amina atunda Nsenene, ono Ajati maama Sula mu Ndeeba, no bamuyita Jaliya gwe twakazaako maama tusuubira. Ki maama Liita ogamba ki eyo? Ogamba ki? Era wagamba ki? Nje baleke eyo. Ono maama Kamamba atunda Nsenene ffene. Ono munnaffe oyo naye era mumulaba nga bw'afaanana. Awoza temukwata. Tulinawo n'empuuta. Eminwe 6 siringisi 10. Kisinzira obulungi bwa ffene naawe era nga bw'oba omulaba. Eminwe 6 siringisi 10. Eminwe 12, 12. Naawe era nga bw'omulaba obulungi bwe. Kisinziira. Gigenda gyegattako bwegityo bwegiti. Naye ng'ataba mubi, tuli bakyala era obalaba, twekolera emirimu gyaffe wano mu Ndeeba ku Butaala. Bayagadde ffene tusobola omumutuusaako, oba osindisa owa booda ne bw'oba toliiwo tusobola okukolera bulungi nnyo nga gwaliwo. Talina tabu ffene waffe. Obuzibu bwe tusinga osanga mu mulimu gwaffe ye ffene. Ogenda n'osuubula ffene ng'omukebedde olaba kyali, bw'amala okwengira ate n'akola ki? N'abeera ng'ali kirala n'okumutuseera. Bamutuseera nnyo. Kasitoma yajja ng'ayagala omuwe ffene ng'awerako, ne naawe gy'oba asuubudde baba baakusedde kati kifene ng'ekyo sobola okigula emitwalo 2 bw'aba akusaliddeko n'agguza gumu kitundu. Bwe buzibu bwe tusinga okusanga mu mirimu gyaffe gino. Ebisigadde tewali. Zizze nga ntono, ziri mu bbeeyi. Osuubula Nsenene akasawo n'okagulira ssente nnyingi, kyokka bakasitoma booli n'ajja n'agamba olina Nsenene ez'N50. Kisinziira w'oba oguze Nsenene zo. Kikopo bakyagala ku 5, bwe waziggyayo ku bbeeyi n'agamba akuwa ssente bwe ziti. Kale Nsenene sizoni bweto bwetukoze.
So it's a festive season, that's why you hear some noise in the background. We are approaching Christmas, and so let us go back to the business. So what we have here is these are Nsenene. We call them Nsenene in my language, Nsenene. So these ones still have their wings on, legs, everything on, and I think these are going to be the cheapest you're going to find on the market, because the cup costs you elifu moja, 1,000 Ugandan shillings. We'll convert that in dollars on the screen. So let us eat and go to another place and see what they have for us. You can join. So for these kinds, you just get them. You don't take off anything from this. You just Wenyiga awo olya buli kimu. Olya buli kimu. You just eat everything. The stomach will sort out what they want. So I think that's enough for, not enough for me, but enough for the video. You guys also go to another place and see what they have. Something different from this. Keep watching, don't go anywhere. This is Eating the African Way, and my name is Nicholas. You just look at them and feel like you're invited to buy from this guy. So I got this for 2,000 Ugandan shillings. I don't know, is that ilifumbili in Swahili? Let us eat and then go to another place. Guys, so if you're planning to come to Uganda and enjoy some of our street foods like Nsenene, you should plan to come in April, and then another month is September, November, then December. Those are the seasons you're going to enjoy this on the streets of Kampala. Woo! Anai. Nzija. All right, let's go to another place. Maybe we'll go check out jackfruit, and also other street foods they have. They have on this street. So let's go anywhere. Keep watching until the end. Earlier, we got one of the ladies on this street and took you through the challenges, how much is jackfruit and everything on this street. So let's go, we buy from her, and also we're going to check out other people on the same street. So let's go check out. So kotweyo kufene tuliyeko. Ndiye fene wagambe buli fene wa bilibili. Wadugenda kulya wa mmeka simanyi na kumanya. Ne wali abantu abatali Nsenene nga bedida Nsenene bo owogerako ki?
Abatali Nsenene nga bazeddira. Era basina kye mbogerako lwa nsonga baba bazeddira.
Bo tebasubwa.
Basubwa.
So what we are talking about is in Uganda or in Uganda, we are divided into clans, and under those clans we belong to different totems, and other people belong to Nsenene and they don't eat Nsenene. So if you belong to Nsenene clan, those bush crickets or the long-horned grasshoppers, you're not supposed to eat it. So that is it with us. If you belong to Inte family, you don't eat. If you belong to cow family, you don't eat cow meat. But I'm asking myself, don't you people miss Nsenene? I'm just asking, don't you miss Nsenene? But let's just eat and then go to another place. Whew. So we are testing. But thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. So we're going to move and then we come back to that place. So in the middle of these ladies, there's only one who sells Nsenene, and she has raw ones. Hope you can see them. So one cup costs 7,000 Ugandan shillings. We'll put that on the screen in dollars so that you can see how much you need in case you want to come on these streets, or it's your first time to be in Uganda and you would want to get a full experience of these Nsenenes. So let's go to another place. Mujebaleko feno linga munene cheka bamulisa nnyo. Nyo tuyagala kwogera. Bangambye ajja kwogera nkomewo ekiri wano. Kamera etunudde eno ssebo. Nyawe gyebaleko. Alabika tayogera naye. Katestinge ku fene tuveewo. One thing you should know about our jackfruits, we have a lot in different types, and even each has its own name, but we are not going to go deep into that because I don't know the names, and even these ladies don't know the names. But if you go to a right Uganda man, a Uganda woman, a Uganda person, they will describe each jackfruit by its name and where it comes from. The same with matoke. They have their different names, like this one is called Joan, that one is called Eddie, that one is called any name. So that is it with our foods. If you get someone who knows those foods so well, they can describe them according to their name and where they come from. Whew. So the bit of this place, they have light on top. That's why you can see you have enough light at this place, but it's already dark. But we will keep going until the end. So don't go anywhere. So I'm eating everything on your behalf in case you're watching this video for the first time. Subscribe, people of Eating the African Way. Let us share your thoughts in the comment section. Let us know what you think about all the foods I've seen on this channel, or what you think about Uganda. Pick out something positive. Don't talk about politics, because here we are foodies. We are foodies. Don't talk about politics. Talk about food. Talk about what you want to see next on this channel, as we enjoy this. You can come and join. You can pass through the screen and come and be part of this right now. So those within Uganda who would like to check out this place is called Ndeba Kureile. Gari yomuka weita, train weita. There is a place. You can see them. So they work from morning until late. Just get some time and pass by. I know you enjoy this place. I think let's go check out the Mputa Nile Patch. And then after we come back and see what we can do next. So let us go to another lady. She also sells jackfruit, but these jackfruits are different in colors, different in size. So just look at this and see what I'm talking about. So let us also test this, and then we go to another place. Mubyokulya njagala nnyo ebinenene bwekibanga kyakulya. Okay, let us continue our journey. What we call Mputa is Nile Patch in English. That the guy has refused to be filmed because I think he doesn't want to be seen on news. He thinks I'm a news reporter anytime soon. He might be seen on television. So let us just enjoy what we have on this street, and then we end the video. Let us also test something, from another lady. Jebaiko. Nsaba kumpayo muwula gwa kupestinga. So I think this is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I wanted to show you what we have on this street. Mostly we look at jackfruit. Jackfruit was the main point for this video. That's why it's going to be short. But let us think about what we can do next as you watch this video. Drop a comment, tell us what you want to see next in another video. If you want to get a separate video for Nsenene, you can tell me. I'll do that separately from another place where I'll be comfortable. You never know, but thank you so much for being part of Eating the African Way. I think let me close this video. I don't know how long it's going to be, but I know you can pick out something new, you can watch something new, you can learn from these ladies, from this place. Also see and also see what you might find when you come to Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Those of you who are coming, you can get my number in the description box of this very video. Talk to me, tell me when you're coming. I'll be available. I'll give you food tours and anything you want to know about our food. I'm always available in case you come in time. Catch up later in the next video. Bye bye. I love you all. Bye bye.